Hello, this is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand on Wednesday, the 18th of October, and it is currently 3:28 p.m. And I haven't made a video for a while, and I wanted to just do a little bit of an update. The last year has been the wettest on record since 1935, when records started being collected in New Zealand, apparently. Which isn't surprising given the amount of weather modification that's been going on. And looking at this image here gives you a kind of good example of just how messed up our spring is right at the moment. There are kind of like, you see all of this, just this blanket cloud over here, and then this murky kind of cloud here, which looks like something that's been grown in a culture dish rather than a cloud cover. This kind of cloud, by the way, is just, it used to be very rare, and yet now it's all we're seeing over the skies. Now I'm showing you this, and I want to show you something else here, which is, here there's some ripples around Christchurch, which is EMF. Now, just kind of an interesting kind of comparison on this, or if you look at it relatively, it's nowhere else on the map are there these ripples, just in this one place, and you just don't see it anywhere else. Now, somebody could say, oh yeah, that's just because it's a geographical thing, that it happens here. No, it doesn't. It happens all over the place from time to time. There's a little bit there as well, very fractional, but anyway, this ain't no geographical thing. That's man-made. So there's an interesting point as well, is that it's just nowhere else in this entire map, and yet it is right there. Okay, what does that mean for Christchurch? I don't know, some more rain, I don't know what it is. Probably some more rain in that area in the next couple of days. In case you think you haven't had enough, But now the other interesting thing is that they have taken to blocking out pictures during, like this goes on an hourly thing here, and they're taking to blocking out bits that they don't want us to see, like at 11 AM where there isn't anything to be seen, or 1 PM, and there was some more like that. I'll go to the other video here. This is the visible satellite images. Now let's go to the infrared satellite, and this is kind of interesting. This is a wider view, so of course they get a much more detailed image, and we don't get to see all of that, to see what's exactly going on, and we get even less visibility because of what I'm about to show you. But this bit of cloud here, it will be man-made, and it's being pushed over New Zealand, and you can see there will be little EMF kind of waves that have been used to push this over. My analysis anyway. Now there's plenty of people who will criticise me for my views, but there you go, that's their problem. Now as this comes over, you can see there's this kind of curvature here. Well, I would say that's EMF generated, if you like. Now it's going there, coming along, and it turns into, and there we go. There is an example. Where is it? There. So, or some missing data there from the feed. Okay. Just a coincidence, or deliberate? And there's more of that. There we go. More. So at 10 AM, half the screen's blocked out. Okay, and at 3 a.m. in the morning there is some block out here. So, you know, I'm just pointing these things out as little indicators. Yeah, anyway, there we go. So, you know, the weather modification in New Zealand is just ongoing. It's just a daily thing. I think it's been done, well, for cloud cover, they're pushing that over, and I think the New Zealand government has probably a contract to with weather modification industries to get a certain quota of rainfall to New Zealand per year. I think they've well and truly made their quota. Maybe they're going for some profit this year. Anyway, there you go. That's how it is. Pretty interesting stuff, I guess. But this cloud cover is just, you know, I haven't seen it like that. Excepting perhaps in winter you might get something like this. In a real bad period, you get some of that. I'll show you just a moment. I'll bring that over. See, it's still there. Here, you get some of that in a real bad kind of like storm time. You'd see that kind of cloud all over the place, but not just constant. And at the moment, it's just been constant. And this cloud cover is just unbelievable, really. Anyway, there we go. This is Spiritual Awareness New Zealand. Nigel giving you an update. Stay safe, and that's it till next time.